Alright, so this is the backyard or property we're working at. We actually did the work here a couple years ago. We're back doing some additional work, but everything that was done here in the past is looking great. Had to update sprinklers in the back and fix some lighting issues from an electrician that cut some wires. But plants are filling in nicely. Crepe myrtle looks great. Lawn's nice and healthy. We've got lawn area we're replacing back here because electrician cut through here in a bunch of spots. So fixed it. Freddie's now re-digging in some wire locations because we have new sprinklers in here, new landscape lighting wires to the flagpole. Pool is up and running. Hydrangea looks great. Look at these blooms. It's a pool, patio, waterfall. Been here for the past 2 years now, I think. Hot tub over here. Plants are in. We've got 2 green giants to screen out a boat that goes back in here. Crepe myrtles in bloom. And then around the front, everything was redone. But this is the backyard space. It's still looking well. We did some tree saver on it, pruned it back. After Hurricane Sandy, it kind of got beat up. It's been a number of years and now it's looking great. The service side is over here where we got landscape lighting, new irrigation system out here, and the front yard, which has the lights going in, plants are all in, sprinkler systems in. We've got to just rake through, clean up a bit, and then we're going to sod this thing. It's all been planted. Did drip irrigation on everything. So everything's got nice, consistent water. You don't have to worry about anything. Look at that grid in there. It's looking great. So we are back here. Everything's planted. Sprinklers are in. The guys are doing a final rake through. Mulch is in the truck and sod is on the pallets. So we are just about ready to mulch this thing out. The lights are in. Lawn is cleaned up. The beds are prepped. Look at this sprinkler system. Put a drip irrigation. Everything is individually watered, so never have to worry. And now the final step is mulching and sodding. So beds are cut. We gotta finish raking through here, but we won't do that till after we get mulching. So that's what we're up to. It is a hot one today. Hey, morning everyone. So we're here. We are getting this one finished up today. It is hot out. Sod and mulch going down. Everything else is finished, and then we'll be wrapped up and out of here. So keep watching because you'll probably see a time lapse right about now. Midday mulch is in. Still got to spread some of it, but it's all in. We got, I think it's like 7 yards in. The grass, good parts of it, most of it is in. Working on just cutting it, getting everything seamed in, and we'll be out of here. Let me know what you think. Alright, so here's our front yard. It's all finished. Don't mind my cameras and drones, but last thing to be done was landscaping, lighting, sprinklers, sodding, and mulch. But now all that is done. We are off to finish building some railroad tie walls. Alright, so we're back at Menkes. It's fall, so we're doing her mums throughout the yard, as well as the bulbs. And we've got Shake the Berry and Southern Comfort bowls going all around in all the beds here. And we've got the mums being placed, so she has her fall color. And then not too long from now, she'll be decorated for Christmas. Let me know what you think. He's refreshed. These came right out of the field for her.